Hello and welcome to the CDO Magazine interview series. I'm Maria Espona with ArgIQ, and we are partnering with CDO Magazine, MIT, CDO IQ, and the International Society of Chief Data Officers in a series of interviews. Today, I have the pleasure of talking with Ricardo Leite Raposo, Director of Data and Analytics at B3. So, welcome,
hello, Maria.
Ricardo. Hello.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here.
Good. You have data governance, data management, data quality, all of them working together and generating, ideally, synergies. Which is your experience implementing the three of them, not only the data governance framework, but including, or if you include data governance and the data management and data quality?
I think they don't need to be in the same place in the structure. They can be and in different places. Even like data management can be in IT because they have they fit more for this function, and control area can have the governance, and the ops can be in operations. And it's not a problem because everybody's working together in the squad. And what's very important is to do it by design. Everybody talking the same language, everybody understanding the concept of the governance, and they work together. I think that they should be done at the same time and work together as a team, collaborating for the business. Like I said, the OKR of all those people should be revenue, should be the customer. The customer in view and having the customer is the only one that put money in the company. So everybody is supposed to make products or serve the customer well. So all those guys, they need to understand and balance the risk with this result. So that's what I think. Do it all together and work by design.
And you mentioned several times working by design and speaking the same language and data literacy. I think the three of them go together. And it's a process inside the company to make all the people aware of the data concepts and how they work, and to share, as you mentioned at the beginning, that the data are there for you. No excuses not to use them. And I think that you mentioned several concepts that are critical to the success of a company.
Yeah, the data ops is key for this because they orchestrate. You don't need to have them all the time on the squad working allocated full time. The data ops do this orchestration. They know when call anyone and when input and make everything running, ensure that everything is running in the right way. So that's the key, to have an operation area focus on the data gov implementation.
Oh, great. Thank you. And the last questions that I have that you just said a little bit before is that do you think it is important to have a customer-centric perspective when you implement the data governance framework? And why?
Totally.
Yeah.
The OKR, I think the OKR of everybody's result. It doesn't make sense to build a database without using it for the business. Or even for a better decision for the business or as a business, in my case, it's supposed to have the customer on the center. And the customer nowadays, they are more happy in collaborating with you, in building the products and work together. So it's key to us to have the right priorities and to anticipate the revenue when we have the customer on the center. So for me it's another thing that I think that's this side effect of this. The top management does not understand data or analytics, and they are not supposed. They understand risk and control. This is their language. So once you implement this approach of privacy by design, and you focus on result on the customer, it's easier to get the investments you need. This journey data journey is very long, and the investments should be sustainable in time. And many initiatives are failing because the top management does not understand what you are doing with the data. They don't see the results. So if you have this approach, they will see even small results, but they will understand what we are doing, what the return on the investment, and they will be happy with the control you are having, the risk control you have at the same time.
Yeah, as you say, it's like all the pieces of the puzzle coming together to have the right product for the right customers and the management happy.
Yes. I think that's key.
So thank you so much, Ricardo, for joining me today. And please visit the cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews.
Thank you.